Lecture 14 covers section 4.7. At the end of today's lecture, you should be able to apply mesh current analysis to circuits with dependent sources. To do such, we must write the dependent source value, whether it is a voltage or current output, in terms of our mesh currents. For N sub C current sources, whether they are dependent or independent, we will construct N sub C current equations relating each of these sources to one or more mesh currents. When a current source is shared by two meshes, we can construct a supermesh. That is, we can construct a supermesh out of an independent or dependent current source, such that the number of KVL equations we need to construct is N, the number of meshes, minus N sub C, our number of current sources. Otherwise, we can just apply N KVL equations and apply our voltage drops in terms of Ohm's law and solve.